When you think of Thermaltake, for many no doubt, the Tower 900 is a case that comes to mind. This case has created an incredible legacy for us at Thermaltake, and last year we expanded on that legacy with the Tower 100. Hey there, I'm Sarah from Thermaltake Australia, and we thought it was time to add another of these incredibly versatile and unique cases to this lineup. This is the Tower 500, everything you loved about the Tower 100 and 900, but in a whole new size. The Tower 500 is 608mm high, 388mm wide, and 398mm deep. This makes it a super versatile size, able to fit up to an EATX motherboard and even higher end components like 3090 Ti's. The Tower 500 is a case that looks good from all angles, and of course, if you're running amazing components inside too, you'll want the chance to show it all off, right? Well, the Tower 500 features not one, not two, but three absolutely stunning large vertical tempered glass panels. Not only are these tempered glass panels more scratch resistant and durable than standard acrylic, but they also simply lift out, providing easy access for maintenance or switching in or out any hardware. The Tower 500 also comes in either a black or snow edition to work beautifully alongside whatever awesome color scheme you're going for. The Tower 500 also comes with two pre-installed 120mm standard fans, so your airflow is covered from the get-go. And speaking of airflow, that has also been thoroughly considered in the Tower 500 also. The case's unique design creates a chimney effect, whereby cool air is pulled through the bottom of the case and hot air exhausted out of the top. The Tower 500 can support all sorts of different hardware to help bring your next incredible custom creation to life. This is a case designed for water cooling, whether you're running an AAO or even creating your own custom loop. The Tower 500 can support radiators under 399mm in length, with the radiator mounting bracket also being dual-sided. The Tower 500 also features a reversible side panel on the right side. This could allow the radiator to draw air through the mesh part of the panel to aid in maintaining optimum airflow. You can also mount up to a total of 6 fans on the radiator, allowing for a push-pull configuration if you wish. Of course, a custom loop is entirely on the table too, if that's what you're aiming for, with ample space to mount and display your reservoir. There's also a space underneath the shroud for an additional radiator to support dual radiator loops. This space also features a two-way fan bracket, allowing it to sit vertically or horizontally and support up to two 120mm fans or a 240mm radiator. In terms of clearance, you also have a lot of options, even featuring support for up to a 355mm long triple slot graphics card. So yes, that means even the bulkiest of 30 series cards can find their next home here. The Tower 500 absolutely does not hold back in terms of features and expandability options. You can fit up to 8 3.5-inch HDDs or 8 2.5-inch SSDs for all your storage needs. To further aid you in keeping your components at their best, the Tower 500 also features multiple removable dust filters. This makes cleaning and keeping the dust bunnies at bay super easy and convenient. And the awesome features of the Tower 500 do not end here. We also have another way to take this case to the next level. Our optional LCD upgrade kit allows you to install a stunning LCD screen to the bottom of the case. This LCD screen can monitor your frequencies, real-time temperature, time and weather, or you can even upload your own images or GIFs with our TT RGB+ software. On top of this, if you're running one of our other Ultra Series components, you can actually have your GIFs interact with one another. With the LCD upgrade kit, you can truly make your build in the Tower 500 as unique as you are. Containing an array of awesome, unique features, the Tower 500 is that perfect middle ground between the compact Tower 100 and grander Tower 900. This chassis is everything you loved about those other two cases in a fresh new size and is more than ready to house your next incredible custom creation. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you did enjoy it, remember of course to leave us a like and pop any thoughts or questions you may have in the comment section down below. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't already as well, and ding that bell to be notified every time that we upload. And while you're still here, I mean, why not check out any of these awesome Thermaltake videos that might be on the screen right about now, and we will see you in the next video. Goodbye.